Nah, this doesn't feel right. Nope, no, it really doesn't. Nope. If you could be anywhere in the world, where would you be? For me, it would be right here. Cheers to that, my friends. I think it's so neat that I'm here right now, like living this RV lifestyle. I remember a year ago when I was thinking about getting into it, I couldn't wrap my head around how cool it would be to jump in your RV/home, take off into the woods, pull over on the side of the road or in a little slot or in a campsite or anything, stay the night and have that as home. I just couldn't wrap my head around it. I thought that was just the coolest thing, and it's neat a year later that I'm doing exactly what I thought the RV lifestyle would be, but it's exceeded my expectations. Like, I couldn't have possibly thought that it was going to be this good. I'm just so thrilled by everything that this has to offer. You know, you're going into the woods and you've got the streams and the lakes and the rivers and you're surrounded by beautiful nature and forest. So when people say, I think the point of my little rant here is when people say that the grass is greener on the other side, I truly believe that sometimes it is. And it's up to you to go check. So, little analogy here for you. Peek over the fence and see if the grass is greener. Because if you don't peek over, you're never gonna know if that grass is greener. And if it's not, then you can always come back to where you're at and then peek over another fence. But I don't like that saying, like, yeah, the grass is greener on the other side. It is. This grass is greener than, you know what I'm trying to say, right? All right, back to some fishing. Enough of me rambling on. I'm just excited. I'm just excited. I've said it a million times, and I'm gonna say it a million more. Once you hit that back road, like the worry, like it's just, literally the worries just left. I hit that gravel road, all the stress, all the worries left. I turned the country music up, and I have had the biggest smile on my face for like 4 hours. I've been like 20 kilometers that way, 20 kilometers that way. I didn't show all of it, but I've been so far around everywhere, and I've been ecstatic. I've been ecstatic. And if I can catch a fish, that's gonna be the cherry on top. And check this little spot out. It's got a little fire, so I'm gonna make a fire right now. And then I've got my fishing rod all hooked up, and I'm doing the exact same thing as I did my last vlog. I'm doing the, oh man, I don't know what you fishermen call it. The weight on the bottom, the hook is up, power bait. Just setting it there and waiting for the rod to move. Then I'll get excited. Put that right over here. Pretty darn good. There we go. There we go. There we go. Fish on, fish on. Here we go. Yep, 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 yep. Oh, I got a little one. I got a little one. Was that first person enough? Was that first person enough? Did you feel like you actually, oh my God, my hat. Did you feel like you actually got that fish? Wasn't that cool? They're just biting like crazy right now, but they're all so small. I feel bad if I have one for food, for dinner. I don't even know what time it is. I'm having so much fun right now. I'm having so much fun. Oh, there, look at, oh. Man, they're just biting like crazy. So I'm just using a really, there, look at that. A really small rooster tail. Look at this! Oh, let me get the pliers. It seems like every time I cast. Why didn't I change this lure like a long time ago? I was waiting for 4 hours with bait at the bottom. It's this guy right here. Right there. Look at this! Yeehaw! Oh. I'm gonna stay here all night doing this. All night. It's crazy, like going from someone who hadn't caught a fish in years to the last couple days. I've caught like 8 today. and then 3 the other day. There we go, there we go. Fish on, fish on. Oh, hey! Oh, Jesus. The very first fish that I caught today was a decent size. I should have kept that one. I didn't have anything to compare it to. So now I'm seeing all these really small ones. And I should have kept the first one. But we'll get one soon. Still got probably an hour of light. Well, I'm gonna tell you 2 things. I had the greatest day today. That was an amazing day. And the second thing is that this rice would go much better with a fish. But they were all so small, so I didn't take any. What a great day. I'm gonna end the night with watching a movie. What movie do we have today? We have Whiskey Tango Foxtrot. So gonna watch that, eat some late dinner. It's about 8 o'clock here, and then go to bed and start a new video tomorrow. So hope that you had a wonderful day. Keep living that dream. Until next time, my friends, take care and bye-bye.
No, it's Arabic, but thankful. Kim is American for white lady. Actually, Kim means who in Turkish? Is that white lady? Kim.
These are good.